Run away.
Yeah, run away like that.
Why you guys so scared?
Do it then. Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They hit me.
Okay, but you need to tell the teacher. Don't be doing like
Doing it, teacher? Oh, yeah. Today is a wildcat, like, no. Lay down. Wildcat. Yeah. So, yeah, you know, it's me chilling with Lucy. It's a little bit chilly, but it's like 73, so. 100. Alex, why are you going that way? I need a... I actually was. Arian, you good? Huh? We are down here for today. Oh yes, sir. It's 4410, so we're not that big of a deal. Huh? Anthony Ray.
Have a nice weekend, Anna.
Alright, see you later.
Alright, see you later, Major.
Yeah.
Is that your bus?
No, mine's all the way down there, so I'm gonna go.
What's your bus number?
4408's right there. So I'm gonna go.
Alright, I'll walk down there.
No, but the bus driver's not in there, so I'm gonna wait. So.
You wait. I'll wait too. I gotta go that way to go to my car anyway.
I mean, I'm gonna wait for Alexis because I'm gonna talk with her, you know, a little bit.
Is she on your bus?
No, I'm gonna wait. Like, I wait for my other friends that come in from the freshman campus too.
But you want to be near your bus. You're ready. How do you know it's way down there? Is that where it always parks?
Yeah, because all these other ones are back there. Handicap buses are in the front because they leave first.
And you're not on a handicap bus?
Yeah. I'm waiting for Alexis. That's why.
But is Alexis someone she's not on your bus?
No, she goes down there too.
But you want to make sure you get where you need to be on time.
Yeah.
You can wait for her closer to your bus. That was fast. And then you just say hi. What's your bus number again? 14?
It's actually in the corner all the way there.
Okay.
It's like all the way down by the car loop.
Starting to turn.
Yeah, like the turn all the way down there. So it's 4415. But I don't know if you're gonna walk that far, you know.
Yeah, I have to go that way to get to my car anyway. I can just go straight across to my car's that way.
I'm just gonna wait here for her now, so. But I'm gonna wait for my other friends that come in too because we all go to the bus together, so.
Okay.
Once they come in, I'm gonna.
You wanna go down there?
Yeah. Because I don't want to go down there for no reason and wait them, like, so. They come in on the other buses. So.
warmed up, so. How do you know that's your boss without seeing the numbers? Is that where they park every day?
Well, he does a transportation from the freshman campus to here for 7th period. So he goes so he drops them off there.
So he's always down there?
Yeah, that's where he's parked always, in the corner. So I'm gonna wait for my other friends and then we'll
Wait
go.
for the bell to ring.
Well, I'm gonna wait for the freshman buses to get here and then I go with my other friends. So once...
Is that what Mr. Scott lets you do every day? He lets you wait for your friends?
Huh?
Mr. Scott, the man, the person who's not here today. Is that his name, the para who works in your class, Mr. Scott?
No, Mr. Gus. No, he takes out Cooper and Hassan's.
He does what?
He takes out Cooper and Hassan.
Well, he normally takes them out.
Yeah,
but
he
it's
does
just
that.
taking them today.
Yeah,
So, because I don't know their parents, what their car looks like.
yeah. So once the other buses get here, I'm gonna go with my friends. Hopefully they get here on time, because I'm not gonna... They always run late.
Who does?
Huh?
Why are they running late?
Because they come from the freshman campus.
And the bus isn't here yet?
No, they come in on 4417, 4421, and 4404.
And they just get on another bus?
Yeah, to come here, and then they go home from here, because there's no point, because, you know, from there it's like an hour and 2 hours ride, so there's no point, and here it's like 20. Because here it's like 20 minutes from their houses, so it's much easier for them to take the buses here than from there. Yeah. We go inside first to get my other friends that come here for 7th period, and then we go, because much easier. And then we all head out this way. It's probably raining out there.
If for some reason the buses are late, you'll have to walk down there. Can't wait too long.
Yeah.
Because they could be stuck in traffic, so you'll need to make
Yeah,
sure.
all the buses leave at 2:25. But for some reason they don't. Because they switch the routes these days. Once they get here, I guess. Because if they don't come in, then I just go wait for my other friend.
What?
Like if they don't come in, I just go get my other friend, which is much easier.
Why doesn't he just come out here?
No, but he comes very, like, we meet up like an equal amount, so we don't have to walk too far.
What
But-
hall is he in?
300 upstairs, so he comes down and then I wait for him like by the stairs, by the classroom, so it's much easier, so that's where I go.
You wait at the bottom?
Yeah.
What if he's not here today?
He is here.
So,
Yeah.
see him?
I'm gonna head that way actually, because it's about to rain, so
Huh?
I'm gonna head that way actually.
Yeah, it's a good idea, because it helps you think and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, also guys, I got the email and they said no freshman buses are coming in today. I totally forgot about that. I was like, damn, I forgot it, and it's like I was trying to do Russian stuff, but like, no, I'm not gonna. It was not worth it. So that's why. I'm gonna go get my friend and then we're gonna head out. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. See you guys.